Alright, now let's figure out how to represent the distance between two numbers on the number line. Now the distance between any two numbers on the number line is given by absolute value. Distance of x from the origin on the number line is given by absolute value of x. Let's try to understand this with an example here. So absolute value of x is equals to 5. What does that mean? It means the distance of x from origin is 5 units. Now, as it is talking about the distance, so that means this distance can be even on the left hand side of 0, right? And this distance, it could be even on the right hand side of 0. So that means if this is 5 units here, this is also 5 units here. So what does that mean? X can be equals x could be equal to -5 or x could be equals to +5. So that's what we have here. The last example we have seen how to represent the distance of x from 0 on the number line. Now let's figure out how to represent the distance of x from the number a on the number line. So the distance of x from a on the number line is given by absolute value of x minus a. Let's take an example in order to understand this better. If it is given to us that absolute value of x minus 2 is equals to 3. So what does that mean? It means the distance of x from 2 on the number line is 3 units, right? Now, as we are talking about the distance, so this distance could be both on the left hand side of 2 as well as on the right hand side of 2. That's 3 units from 2 on the left hand side and 3 units from 2 on the right hand side. So in that case, the value of x will be equals to -1 and it will also be equals to 5 because both of them are at a distance of 3 units from 2. Now let's figure out how to represent the distance of x, this time from the number minus a on the number line. So distance of x from minus a on the number line is given by absolute value of x plus a. Let's take an example here. So absolute value of x plus 2 is equals to 2, or we can also write it in the standard form here. Absolute value of x minus of minus 2 is equals to 2. So again, what does that mean? The distance of x from the number minus 2 is equals to 2 units. Now again, as we are talking with respect to the distance, so that means this distance of x from minus 2 here is 2 units. Now this distance could be both on the left hand side of minus 2 and right hand side of minus 2. So that means x can be -4 and x is also equals to 0 because both of them, they are at a distance of 2 units from -2. So hope this concept is clear.